at this wallpaper application here and pretty much show you how to use it like a pro. So make sure to watch the full video and stay tuned. Here, this is the home screen, and as I see, you pretty much just swipe across for your wallpapers, or you can tap on these buttons down here. You go left or right or go back, whatever the case is for you. So let's say I've found a wallpaper. This is an ads, so just swipe across again if you don't see our button, and you're pretty much good to go. So once you've found the wallpaper that you like, some of them may have the remove ads icon beside of it, as you can see here. So you may see a remove ads icon. That's pretty much the subscription wallpapers. So you do keep that in mind. Some of these do have the subscriptions. You're gonna need subscription to use some of these wallpapers. So do keep that in mind, guys. So once you've found the wallpaper that you want, all you have to do is tap on it and pretty much tap on unlock awesome wallpapers, and you're good to go. You may need to watch an ad to get a free unlock, or you have to remove the ads. So either one of whichever one you want to choose. So you have to watch an ad to pretty much unlock this wallpaper here. So if you like the wallpaper, you can also save it to your favorite by tapping on the art icon at the top there, and you can come back to it at any time. So the remove ads feature here is pretty much their subscription, and it pretty much removes all ads on the application and unlocks all wallpaper that they offer for completely free. You'll be able to download them simply without watching a ad. So that's pretty much it for that there. And if I tap on the continue option, it's the same thing that will pretty much show. So I'm going to pretty much watch an ad to unlock this wallpaper here. So once you have watched the ad, it will pretty much start downloading, or if you have the subscription, it will just start downloading immediately, as you can see here. And it will pretty much ask you to adjust the background and so forth, but you can pretty much tap on apply once you have pretty much done doing that. Or if you just want to upload it immediately, just tap on apply. It will ask you either your lock screen or your home screen, whichever one you choose. So that's very simple. And in this just section, nothing much. You're gonna pretty much just show the past wallpaper that you've added. Also, your favorite section is there as well. So in the settings feature, you have dark mode, you have subscription, nothing much. So that's really pretty much it for this wallpaper application. If I missed anything, comment below. See you guys in the next one.